Hi again. Very long time ago, I was working on the show Roughnecks Chronicles, the Starship Troopers Chronicles, something like that, and had a shot where there needed to be bullet holes. And at the time, we didn't have a button or a plug in Lightwave to press and say make bullet holes, so had to come up with a quick way to make some bullet holes. And so I used Howler, at the time called Project Hogwaffle, I should say. Um, to create a quick bullet hole effect. So I'm going to try and do that now. Just going to start with like an airbrush perhaps. Let's see, make it smaller, less opaque, or more opaque. And change the steps. And going to use some random position as well. Okay, so I'm going to use the airbrush though, because that doesn't random. That's not a randomy kind of thing. So I'm going to make a custom brush for this. All right, there we go. So I'll set that on matte mode instead of color mode, then I won't get that funky outline. Oops, let's see, we can adjust the transparency of this. All right, good enough. And we'll put steps up some more. Or I got set down. Okay, there's our bullet holes. Now we want to be able to animate that over the course of an animation. I'm going to create an animation of, say, about 40 frames. And just draw a brush stroke, clear it, and I'll use the stroke recorder for this. View, animation, and stroke player. Put it on this Hancock mode. Think of John Hancock signing his big old handwritten signature on the Declaration of Independence. You'll get the idea. So I'm going to click that, hit replay. Gets a little slower as it goes on because it's repeating the same brushstroke over and over and over again. And that should be about it. Let's play that. Okay, so there's a few more things we have to do because these are all moving around. I think that's because of the random position. I may not be able to use a random position in this case because it's random. There's probably some other ways we can get around that, but I'm going to go ahead and redo that. Live and learn, right? One thing you can't do with this is use this with a tablet because a stroke player does not record tablet information. So if you use a tablet and do that, you just get a blank screen. Hit replay. All right, so we now have our bullet holes. And, of course, I just recorded it over my old animation. See, this is the kind of stuff that happens. You just got to deal with it. We're not perfect. We're not machines. We don't do things with mathematical precision. We bumble our way through things. Even machines bumble their way through things. So let's keep going here. Okay, so there it is. There's our bullet hole animation. You take that, you drop it into Lightwave or Blender or whatever you're using, and actually one more thing we probably want to do is invert that. Just click it, and it'll do the whole animation for us. And there's our bump map or our displacement map or our transparency map, whatever we're using to create our bullet holes. So hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching, and talk to you later.